Okay, assembling a cloche, how do we do it? Right, the components you have within your pack will be the following. We've got 7 bars and 5 of them will have a simple round hole through them, and 2 of them have a more elliptical hole through them. We have 6 brackets which look like this. We have 4 brackets which approximately look like this. You have 2 cloche hoops which look like this and also have tape on them. And finally we have something called hotspot tape. To assemble it you'll need 3 tools. Firstly, a 13mm spanner. Secondly, a 13mm socket. And if you haven't got a 13mm socket, you can use a second 13mm spanner, but the socket makes life a lot quicker and simpler. And you'll need a pair of scissors.